Hi there, welcome to this channel. Today I want to ask some question that have you forgotten your Wi-Fi password? If yes, then here is the solution. First we can go to command prompt and here I can write the command netsh space wlan space show profiles show profiles. Now netsh is included in system. WLAN shows the Wi-Fi signals and show profiles the names that were connected to your computer. I will hit enter. Now, have you seen these profiles were connected to my computer? So I have these profiles list and I want to check the password of this. I have forgotten this password. Now for this, I can write again the command netsh space wlan space show profile name. Now netsh same in the computer system and WLAN shows the Wi-Fi signals and show profile name. I can select the name for this. I can select 400B to check what its password. I can write 400 underscore B inverted commas closed. Now I have selected the profile for which I want to recover the password. Then after that I can write key equal clear. Why I have written key equal clear? So that its password must be clear what its password. Then pi vertical bar and then find key content and inverted commas closed. Now the command is completed. After that I can hit enter. So this is the password of this Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching this video.